Do you want to become a business software consultant attracting corporate managers around the world while developing a lucrative, unique, and exciting career? Do you want to tap into the strategic heart of businesses where people, business processes, and technology meet? You have come to the right place. My name is Mor Sagmon. For the past 35 years, I have served businesses large and small, analyzing their business requirements, fine-tuning their business processes, designing, developing, and delivering beautiful, intuitive-to-use business software solutions. While working for SAP, the world's largest business applications provider, I led projects for customers such as Chevron, Shell Trading, Bose, Superior SX, and many more. I understand business processes and best practices in sales, manufacturing, financials, logistics, human capital, procurement, and more, a trait that opens the door of managers who seek my advice and guidance. Over the years, I have perfected a unique offering that blends my business acumen with my superior information systems know-how in a highly efficient way, culminating into a unique value proposition one can offer as a one-man show. Leveraging my unique offering, I was able to articulate my business value to managers in large companies, convince them to divert their budget to me, and deliver solutions that solve their pain time and again. Some customers came back for more projects for the fourth time. While continuing to serve my customers, I decided I cannot keep this gem to myself anymore, and I developed a comprehensive paradigm and methodology packed with invaluable training, support, and mentoring. I will teach you everything I know so that you can attract businesses, analyze their requirements, design and develop real business applications, and have the budget and time they are usually called for. My proposition to you consists of 3 main blocks. 1, the technical foundation. 2, understanding businesses and business processes. And 3, acquiring customers and building your reputation. The foundation is a proven technology stack not commonly exploited by standard software houses that allows you to master 3 core pillars of business applications development: computer programming, databases with SQL, and Excel VBA. These technologies are highly popular in the business world. Each of these subjects typically requires its own training, but I packed my 35 years of experience into a 4-course track where all parts play together that I use myself when I design, build, and deliver business solutions to my customers. However, having a strong technical skill set is not enough to become a business information systems leader. You need to understand what is a business, how does it work, what are the best practices for managing sales, operations, manufacturing, financials, procurement? What's an ERP? Each department in an enterprise has its own language, business processes, business interfaces with other departments. The business is the key to open the door, not the technical skill. Stand out by mastering both the technical and the business talk and walk. I will connect you with the business world, teach you about enterprise software, business processes, gathering business requirements and writing analysis documents, understanding the business language of corporate managers, designing a business solution for an intuitive and pleasant user experience, developing and delivering it, a task that typically requires a whole team and drives the customer costs through the roof. I invite you to join my inner circle, to keep learning and engaging with me and other professionals like you. And if you're sharp and capable, an opportunity to be guided and supervised by myself personally may also be an option. Do you believe you're a good fit to become this one-of-a-kind wizard? Are you ready to take a bold step in your professional career? If the answer is yes, I invite you to come on board and take the first released course in your new career path, Computer Programming with Excel VBA. See you there.